Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You are watching AniTech Talk, Grow Together, Success Together. So today, till now, I think you already checked the feature released on as part of 26R2. But the purpose of this session or topic is basically I wanted to be cover some of the important feature what released by Viva as part of 26R2. Even who are the people don't get enough time to visit and check the feature, for them it will be helpful to cover what are the feature introduced in this release, right? So with that note, get started. One second. Yeah. Yeah, as part of this session, I'll cover that mostly UI and search experience, and then the analytics and reporting and Vault AI. The remaining portion, you can check it. If you have any doubt, please let me know. But as part of the session, I think the one which is needed to be covered as part of this session, which is UI and search experience, Vault AI, analytics and reporting. All right. So with that note, let's get started. You can check the highlights at a glance. I put the description. I'm just pausing my screen and feel free to take the snapshot. And even though I'll share this PPT after this session into the description section, feel free to get it from there. All right. So while moving and starting with the first feature, improved document viewer toolbar and panel. Now you can see that new vertical toolbar surface available here. Zoom and find the document screen that are available, and annotation is also available, so you can find it. And definitely the screenshot is not proper, so you can see here the new vertical toolbar available, so feel free to check it while you open that release note, and you'll get the good screenshot, and you can visualize there. And here you can see you can zoom the screen, right? And when now one of the improvement is when the document is now open, this section document information, document relationship, sharing setting, this option will be collapsed. So if you click on that, then only it will be available. Now for the end user, what help that end user can, you know uh, get or review the document in the entire screen, right? Okay, so this is the all for this page. And then bring forward annotation that also now available in the action menu. User can open the document even the side by side via first search, relationship and attachment or version. So side by side, let's say you search any document here, and if you open the document, there is a icon you can see there, and you can find that side by side option. And you can I mean, for you it will be help if you compare any document, and that feature you can find on, relationship, attachment or even version. That feature is this feature is talking about. Now, Volt AI custom get an AI generated summary of the change on version comparison, as AI is enabled as part of the releases now as part of this release. So what happened that if this document need to be summarized through, once you open the Volt AI from the top right corner, you will find that Volt AI icon star mark, and if you open that, then you can summarize the change on version comparison. So summary of the changes will be described if you click on that, right? So these are the mostly the feature Viva shared. And then fast search. Now what are the the document you are day-to-day interaction with that document now available on the fast search option. If you open that search option or from the library, and then the search drop down suggest that the previously or recently viewed document which you edit, annotate and other interaction you did. Now it improve currently both the initial click into search box list, and as you type suggestion that will come. And hovering a suggested document offer a mini browser or split screen open, trying into the document viewer update. No configuration required because this is the auto on feature. Now Volt AI tab, right? Now with this Volt AI tab, what you can do that if definitely Volt AI have to be enabled from the backend or admin side. If that is enabled from the setting, then AI tab become default landing page for the permitted user. Now, ChatGPT style interface for asking question against Volt data. You can play with the data, you can ask question, you can get the response from Volt AI, and then existing home tab is automatically renamed to task when AI is enabled, right? Then you can see that one tab is enabled, right? Now, query agent is accessible directly from this tab and require permission in the agent and tab section of applicable permission set. The user have the permission to view this tab, they can access it. Who don't have that, they don't have the access. Right now, enabling the Volt AI enable, I mean, from where that can be done, right? As I told that from the admin side. So from the admin, there is an option called setting tab, and there you'll find Control F, search for Volt AI enablement, and then you'll find or you can active that Volt AI. Then automatically the AI tab will be open for you, right? All right, now new and enhanced Volt AI agent, query agent. I already talked about. If you not watch the few recording of the AI, please feel free to watch that, and you'll understand that how AI works. And then agent workflow task completion. Agent can auto complete the single item workflow task per an admin defined SOP style action, runs hourly error route back to a human. Now, definitely the human in the loop, which is needed in the license industry. Now, document version compare agent that summarize the key changes between two document version at a high level that you can generate through AI. Also, agent action can pause to collect input via text input, single selection or multiple selection that provided by the user, right? So that's why the human interaction is needed. Now, Volt AI admin and configuration control, that you can read it. I'll share the PPT. This is quite technical, and I don't want that use any technical. I don't want it to be covered in depth of the technical side, because this video is intended for most of the end user as well, right? Who don't have that technical knowledge, right? Now, responsive UI and session continuity. Now, UI scale to browse the width and sidebar collapse fill layout reduce the horizontal scale. So that means from here you can use that, collapse the page and expand the page that you can do, and also you side by side you can view that, and then activity in one Volt tab. Now prevent timeout across all open tab window on the same domain. And then also this is the auto on feature. Number fields now respect local on the NT2 ICU formatting, comma versus pure decimal. So forget about that. So basically now UI scales to browser with sidebar collapse, fill layout, reduce horizontal scroll. All right. Now report users. This is very much important topic. So with that, you can control and check that the which report is uses, not uses, which reporter currently uses mostly, so that you can check, right? Now new report usage object track report run and uses, and then capture run type ad hoc click and run, flash run in background dashboard the last run by date when this report last run, how many rows are returned, right? What date it last run, view count, all you can get it if currently as we have the report usage as a report type, right? Now this is a great input for quarterly unused report cleanup exercise, right? Otherwise we are not sure that is a really the report is needed or not. Unnecessarily we are blocking the space, right? That we don't want as part of the governance system, right? Now existing last run field on report is deprecated, visible, no longer updated, will be removed in the future release. Now, enhance create report page discovery. Now, search report type and their underlying object directly. Recently viewed report type speed up the repeat report building, expand all and collapse all the report type tree. Selecting a type shows existing report already built on it and avoid duplicating work. Update any admin SOP that reference the old create report flow. And then here also you can see the create report type. Also, it's now change a little bit. You can expand all, collapse all, you can search it, you can recently viewed the report type page. Now you can see here we can use two report type. One is primary reporting object use that report uses, and related object they have used that report name. Now report type definition tab shows the structure and related entry before you commit. Admin can now report on the report object itself, combine the report uses to analyze report alongside their user stat. Update report configuration dialog lets you name, tag, format on creation, responsible, reopenable via edit later. Now, process monitor drill down. So now you have, that as part of recently released that process monitor already available in past. Now, as part of this release, what happened that now you can drill down more once you open the process monitor, right? New document tab surface the specific record document behind the cycle time. Edit column, short filter or export to CSV directly, or jump to pre-filtered document list from state or transition in the process graph, and process views now run in the background and save result for 24 hours. Now, date range filtering extended from 2 years to 20 years. Right click dashboard chart to open its report in new tab. So if you're using the process monitor, then it's a very good feature. You can explore it. Now, suggested action item, you already know if you are working on the Viva domain that you can review the release impact assessment that I hope that you already covered and you already did that. And also the decide on Vault AI enablement, timing and run a permission set review agent plus tab before turning it on. That is, I can advise. And then plan the end user communication, because document viewer, fast search and responsive UI changes that are mostly visible from day one. So how you can manage the communication with user, end user, that you need to be think on. And yeah, some session is mostly for all users, even all participant who don't know that much technical side, so I'm not explaining much. Yeah, with that note, I'm ending this session. Hope you have some clarity of the 26R2 feature. Stay tuned in my channel. See you soon. Bye.